Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss electric dipole and dipole moment. Electric dipole. An electric dipole is made up of a pair of equal and opposite point charges. Here, equal and opposite point charges minus q and plus q. Charges which are separated by very small distance. Which are separated by very small distance, that is 2a. The midpoint of between two charges is called its center. This is center, and the line joining this center is called axial line, and line joining this is called axial line, and line perpendicular to the axial line passing through the center is called equatorial line. Equatorial line. Dipole moment. The magnitude of dipole moment is the product of either charge and the distance between them. Either charge and distance between them. So if we consider distance between the two charges is 2a and the direction of that dipole moment minus q2 plus q, then we can write p, we denoted dipole moment with p, by p equals to either charge q and distance between the charges 2a. So p vector is equals to 2a q. This is the dipole moment of electric field, and the unit of dipole moment unit of charge coulomb, unit of length meter. So of dipole moment, dimension of dipole moment dimension of charge A1 T1 and dimension of meter length L1. So L1 A1 T1 is the dimension of dipole moment. Now we derive the electric field due to electric dipole on axial lines. By the definition of electric field, the electric field on point P by the charge plus q, that we write E1 is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon, and what is the distance between r minus a ka whole square, and the direction, let we write a p vector which is unit vector along BP direction. Now the electric field by the charge minus q on point P is E2 equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon the distance between A and P, r plus a ka whole square, and direction opposite to the E1 minus P cap along PV direction. So total electric field on point P by the electric dipole is E1 plus E2. Put the value from equation 1 and equation 2. 1 upon 4 by epsilon naught Q upon r minus a का whole square p cap minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon r plus a का whole square p cap. Here is the common part. We're taking out 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q 1 upon r minus a का whole square minus 1 upon r plus a का whole square p cap equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q r square minus a square का whole square 4ra, and we know that p vector is equals to 2a q, so we can write 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught to p r upon r square minus a square का whole square, electric field due to a electric dipole. Now we consider a case when a is very less than r, then a square is negligible. So we can write E vector is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2 pr upon r की power 4. So again 1 power is cancelled. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2p upon r cube. This is the formula of electric field due to its electric dipole. And direction of electric field p cap is in the direction of electric dipole, which is E vector and P vector in the same direction. Thank you.